Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of creaky bed frames that keep you up all night? Well, say goodbye to those annoying sounds with the new JETO metal bed frame. I mean, this thing is a game changer. With over 31,000 customers giving it a 4.6 out of 5 rating, you know it's gotta be good. The sturdy steel slat support with center support legs makes the metal bed more stable, so you don't get that annoying sliding or creaking. It's literally silent. You'll love the extra storage space underneath, the smooth texture of the metal frame, and the fact that it's ridiculously easy to set up. We're talking quick assembly in under an hour. The platform bed frame can be used in bedrooms, guest rooms, dormitories, hotels, basically anywhere you need a bed, and the best part is it's designed to last, so you won't have to worry about it breaking or collapsing. I've used it in my own bedroom and I can honestly say it's the most comfortable and sturdy bed frame I've ever owned. The sound of silence is music to my ears, no more creaks or groans. The feel of the sturdy frame is solid, it's not flimsy or cheap, it's built to last, and the result is a great night's sleep every time. Whether you're a college student, a busy professional, or just someone who loves a good night's sleep, the new JETO metal bed frame is the way to go. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's a total upgrade from those old creaky bed frames, so what are you waiting for? Give it a try and start sleeping like a baby tonight. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.